Today I'm going to show you how to do this easy messy bun that takes just 1 minute to do. Leave some hair out in front. You can see my cheeks are a little red because I got burnt on vacation. Wear your sunscreen, folks. I do get asked a lot how I curl my front framing pieces, and it's literally just wrapping them around a 1-inch curling iron like this. Super easy, and then just brushing it out with my fingers. For this hairstyle, I'm using these thick hair elastics and I'm coating them with hair oil. No, it's not going to break the hair elastic. It's just going to coat it and make your hair not stick to it. Hair hack. So I'm just going to pull my hair up into a ponytail, and I'm using a clear hair elastic so it doesn't show. Now this technique is kind of similar to this one that I'm showing right here, but it's a little different. If you haven't checked out that video, I will link it below. So basically you are just creating an opening right above your hair tie. So you should be able to stick your thumb through it like I am doing here. And then you're going to take the ends, you're going to grab them with your hand and just pull them through. So if you have one of those topsy tail tools, this would be a really great way to use them, or just use your fingers. Those work great too. Once you've done your side topsy tail, then you're just going to tighten your ponytail. And now on to the bun. To secure my bun, I'm going to use a twisty pin and a regular bobby pin. So to do my bun, I'm just going to twist it around my finger and we're going to wrap it around itself. With the ends, we are just going to tuck them behind the bun. Even if you have a lot of hair, you should be able to do this bun. It's all about what you use to secure it. And there's plenty of other buns you can use too. Now on the right side, I'm just going to hook my bobby pin with the ridges facing down. And on the left side, I'm just going to twist in this hairpin. Both work really well, but if you have really thick hair, you might gravitate towards the twist pin. Now the fun part, pinching and pulling everything, pinching and pulling that topsy tail twist that we did, securing any loose ends. I'm adding texture spray to my front pieces just to give them some volume so it's not so flat, pinching and pulling around my head for volume, and that is it. I feel like this hairstyle goes really well with my overalls, little farmer vibes, but I think it looks so cute. And it literally, if it weren't for me taking my time with it, it would take me 1 minute to do. Like, this is so easy. I love the little extra topsy tail. And I know you're going to ask, Lainey, how do you take this out? Don't worry, I'm going to show you here in real time. I'm not going to cut it. I'm not going to fast forward it. I'm going to show you how to take it out. So first thing you need to do is find that twisty pin, and then you are just going to twist it the opposite way to get it out. So I'm twisting it towards the left to get it out. And boom, comes right out. It is super easy. You just can't pull it. You got to twist it. Now with the bobby pin, easy, boom, pull it out. I did add one more to kind of hide my ends, and that is right there. So 3 pins total. Now I'm just going to reverse topsy tails. So I'm just going to tuck my ends in and pull them through the opposite way that we did them in the beginning. And then from here, do not just yank out your hair elastic. That's going to rip your hair even with the hair oil. You want to take your hair elastic out just like you would a hair tie. Please do not just rip it out. Pull your ponytail through the hair elastic and it should come right out. If you take your time, that's important. So that is it. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.